Okay, hi everyone. Are you able to hear me, guys?
Yes, we can hear
Okay,
you.
okay, great. So, hello everyone. Welcome to the first day of SD-WAN demo class. Actually, I can say it is a live direct class. Okay, so it is not with the demo. I will start today the actual class with the first topic. Okay, so my name is Shank, guys, and I am your instructor for this course. And about myself, so I am having triple CCI in data center, service provider, and routing switching. I am having total 13 years of experience in networking, and I worked almost in all organization, whether it is an enterprise company or a service provider company. I worked on technologies like MPLS, data center technologies, ACI, SD-WAN, SDN, VBlock, and all. So that's a little brief info about me, guys. I want you guys to give me your introduction as well. Okay, your name, your country from which you are from, right now, your current work skill, and what is your expectation from this course. I need to understand it so that I can cater it and do a customized course for you guys. Okay, so you guys can start providing your intro. Thank you. I'm not able to hear you, RK. So anyone else can please start. I have seen some of you are already taken my course as well, right? So you are welcome, guys.
My name is Vajudi.
Yeah, hi, Vaju.
Yeah, I have 10 years of experience in network field. Right now, I'm working as a L1 L2 engineer only. I'm looking for SD-WAN and ACA courses actually.
Okay.
I'm from Chennai.
Okay, welcome.
That's it.
Thank you. Yes, Aktan.
Yes, can you hear me now?
Yes.
I am from Turkey and I'm working as a network engineer in the Ministry of Education. And I'm expecting to learn something new from you. And I hope it will go so well. Thank you.
Welcome. So you have any experience in SD-WAN?
Not much actually.
Okay. No issues. Welcome. Okay. Next one.
Hi, this is Kiran from Pune.
Yeah, hi, Kiran.
Hi, I have around 6+ years experience in telecom and networking domain, and I want to learn SD-WAN and Python for network engineer.
Okay, welcome.
Hello.
Yes.
Myself, Nirav Acharya from Gujarat. I have total 8 years experience in telecom and networking. I want to learn new networking steps like SD-WAN and new technology. So I want to join this class.
Welcome. Welcome, Nirav.
Hi, my name is Abdul Salam Khan.
Yeah, Abdul.
Okay, I have 16 years of experience in networking field. Okay, and my first preference is to look for CCI course. So that's the main reason of joining this course.
Okay, so related to CCI, which track you are working on
Enterprise.
CCI?
Enterprise.
Enterprise.
Yeah.
So, okay, welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, next one, guys.
Hi.
Yeah, hi, Hari.
Kiran. I am from Hyderabad. I am a fresher. I didn't have experience in any technology. I want to learn new things. That's why I joined this webinar.
Okay, welcome, Hari.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, next one.
Hey, myself, Kishan Patel. I am from Gujarat. I have
Hi, Kishan.
8 years of experience in networking and security domain, and currently I am working as a student. Hope I will, okay.
Okay, welcome, Karim.
Hi, myself Sai. I'm
Hi, Sai.
currently working as a network engineer in New Jersey. From the past couple of months, like from the past 6 months, and our company is trying to, enroll in SD-WAN. So I wanted to have a brief knowledge before starting our project.
They are rolling out Mpls SD-WAN, right? Mpls Cisco SD-WAN.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome. Okay, guys, anyone else? Okay, so from the introduction, I have seen like some of you are new related to the SD-WAN technologies, right? And you want to learn it from the scratch, right? Yes, the recording is going on. Even you can see it tomorrow as well on the YouTube channel of Network Journey. Okay, guys. So before I start with the topic, I will tell you something brief about the course content, all that stuff. Okay, so that we should be on the same page. What is this course all about? How much we gonna learn? What are the course contents? Okay, what are the timings? What is the day timings, night timing, whatever it is. Okay, so just give me a second. Let me share the screen. Okay, I hope you guys are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we are able to see.
Okay, great, guys. So this is a Cisco SD-WAN course with the paper number is 300415. So this is ENSDWI. This is one of the concentration exam in the CCNP enterprise track. Okay, and we are starting it from today onwards directly. Okay, the classes is going to be from Monday to Thursday every week, which is 9 p.m. IST. Okay, we are at 5.5 GST. Okay, so at the same time right now, which time you joined, so we are having a class, and this class is going to be 1 hour daily from Monday to Thursday. Okay, and let me show you first of all the track on the Cisco side. Cisco SD-WAN. What is the number? 300415. Okay, so this is the exam which will present in the Cisco CCNP certification. So CCNP Enterprise, and in the Enterprise, this is the track for the concentration exam that we're gonna take it up. Okay, then we are having our own lab topology over which we're gonna deploy the SD-WAN from the scratch. Okay, guys, and then we're gonna go from the basics to the advanced level. The course content that we are having is gonna start from the scratch, like from the architecture of SD-WAN. Okay, how you deploy the controllers, how you deploy your edge routers. Okay, then how you're gonna configure the templates, policies, how you're gonna configure the quality of service. Security topics are of theory topics. Then management operation wise, how you're gonna configure QS I already took. Okay, so these gonna be our course of content, and these are our lab task. Okay, which is, let me show you directly our lab topology. Okay, guys, so total lab is gonna divide it into 10 sections, starting from the basic to the advanced. Okay, and when we do the course, you will get these lab workbooks. Okay, so if I open the first one, you will see how to initialize the SD-WAN components, basic things. Okay, so all the initial configuration that you need to put. After that, how you're gonna initialize your controllers in SD-WAN, all that stuff, and then we go and work with the advanced labs. Okay, so you will get a complete step-by-step workbook how to configure the things with screenshot and everything. Okay, so let me increase the font size. Okay, so this is how the complete workbook is present, which you will get it. Okay, so this is a complete workbook, and you will get the lab access on our lab servers. Okay, with this topology, it is an unlimited 24/7 access. So till the course end, you will have the lab access. Okay, in case if you are lagging behind, you can get 15 days extension as well, so that you can complete your lab on time. Okay, all the lectures that I am taking, is gonna be recorded, and next day you can see the recording in case if you miss anything or if you miss the class. Okay, guys, so these are some of the basic things that I need to tell you. Now, let me take 5 minutes session for your question answers only, guys. 5 minutes, okay, related to this, and after that I'm gonna start with the first topic of the day. So anyone having any question related to this, you can ask me in next 5 minutes.
Hi.
Yes.
For the SD-WAN, do we need Python programming knowledge?
No.
Okay, and you told that the template, what is
So
that related
template is basically you can say the combination of different commands that we put together in a one template, and then we're gonna put it on different devices. So again, I'm gonna configure them from the scratch.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, any other question, guys?
Shank, I've got one question about this lab. Can we have it downloaded on our laptops locally, or do we have to access remotely only?
So you need to access it remotely on our servers. Okay, if you need, we can give you the topology. But the point is, you need to have the licenses and images installed on your laptop. Okay, so that we're not gonna provide. So again, even if we give the topology, you're not able to run it if you don't have the serial keys or licenses with you. Okay, so it is better, and we are having about 24/7 access of the lab, so you can access it from anywhere. Okay.
Thanks, Shank.
Hello, can you just give the brief idea about the total time period of course and what's the prerequisite? Means CCNP enterprise knowledge is enough, or more than this is required for that routing and switching?
Yes, even below that as well. It is okay if you know what is IP address, what do you mean by routing protocol. That's it. Very basic knowledge. Okay, and the course duration is gonna be 1 month to 1.5 months.
Okay.
This is for a CLI only, or a GUI also possible to configure the devices?
Yes, so we're gonna do 90% of the configuration via GUI. CLI only the initial configuration to provide the reachability we do, and after that 90% of the lab is on the GUI.
But we can configure everything as a CLI also, right?
Yes, you can do it, but again, these technologies which are related to SDN family, okay, SD-WAN, SDN, ACI, all those stuff, these are mean to be configured either via GUI or API. Okay, CLI is not the main motive of doing the configuration.
Okay, if you're going for real-time office, they will also told to do it in GUI, or they will ask for CLI?
They're gonna do it for GUI only.
Okay, fine.
Yep.
So, one question regarding the product, right? So, what kind of are we going to cover that product background as well, like backend, right? Product backend, how to debug the backend, which service is responsible for which kind of operation, like monitoring, alarm alerts, or the routing. I mean the packet
Yes.
packet
Yes.
forwarding, right?
Right. Yes. We're
So, are
gonna
we going to
discuss
cover
that.
those topics?
Yes. So I'm gonna start from the scratch. Okay, we're gonna build our path from the scratch only.
So, we will talk about all the services and which services is responsible for what.
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, guys, any other question before I'm gonna start with the topics? So related to the batch fees and all, you guys will get a link soon in the chat. Okay, so you can contact to our backend team. They're gonna provide you the structure of the fees and all. Okay, first 2 days are open. After that, we're gonna lock the meeting so that only the enrolled student is gonna attend the class only. Okay. Some of you are already enrolled, right, guys? I can see that. So welcome you guys. Okay. So let me start with the topics now. So just give me a second. Let me share the screen of my iPad. So I hope you guys able to see my screen, right?
Not yet.
No one able to see it?
No, Shank, we can't see it.
No.
Okay. Just a second, guys. Let me check. Okay, now.
Still the same.
No, Shank.
So okay, just give me a second. Let me switch my network. Just give me a second.
network issue?
No, I'm connected with 2-3 networks. Just give me a second. Okay, guys. So I hope now you're able to see it, right?
Yes, sure.
Okay, great. Okay, so to understand the SD-WAN solution, first let's understand what is SDN, which stands for Software Defined Networking. Okay, so what do you understand by SDN, guys? What are the 2-3 main components or the basic understanding if you have related to this? What do you mean by SDN solution? Can anyone tell me?
Management of devices is GUI based.
So basically you can say there is a centralized controller, right? Which is gonna manage your devices. Okay, so that is one of the characteristic in every SDN solution. What is what else?
So we can monitor all the network device centralized.
So again, we can monitor it via the centralized controller. So that comes in that. Anything else, guys? Important characteristic.
Automatic. You can say like one other feature of SD-WAN is that automatic failover of ISP. Like you don't have to configure any special monitoring services.
Right now, I'm not talking about SD-WAN. I'm right now just talking about any SDN solution.
Okay.
It also offers the separation of control and data planes.
Right. So you will have a separation of control and data plane. Okay, this is very important concept because previously what is happening is your control plane is again on the same device where you are having the data plane, and then the device goes fail. So again, now even if what is gonna have benefit of separation of control plane from data plane?
So if you modify any configuration, then our ongoing data flow will not get hampered.
Right. So yes. So for some time, okay, whatever is the timer, your control plane, if your control plane is down, your data plane will not got reset. Okay, so your data plane will continue working. Anyways, guys, what is do you understand by control plane, data plane, and management plane? So what is control plane?
So control plane is mainly responsible for send configurational data, and the data plane is purely our users traffic.
Okay, so configuration related what? So configuration updates, I can say, right? Routing updates, all those stuff.
Add new configuration, add new interface, new policies.
Right. So your protocols data like STP, ARP, right? DSCP, EIGRP, whatever the protocol updates or the data they are having, that is in the control plane. Okay, what is data plane?
The traffic data.
So basically it is gonna do the forwarding of your data. Okay, whether that is a user data, server data, printer data, whatever it is. Okay. Now what is management plane? So again, we are having three main planes. So what is management plane?
So traffic of our device utilization, monitoring, logs, flows, alerts, alarm.
So the traffic of protocols, okay, which is used to manage your devices, right? So what are those protocols?
SSH, Telnet.
SSH, CLI. So again, Telnet, SNMP, right? Netconf, all those type of thing. Okay. So now we are talking about the SDN solution. So in the SDN family, every company makes the SDN solution, and you will have the SDN solution for the three fields actually. So one field is going to be SDN for data center. Another field is going to be SDN for WAN. And then you will have SDN for your branch. So if we talk about Cisco SDN solutions, the SDN for data center, the solution is known as Cisco ACI, which is Cisco Application Centric Infrastructure. Okay, then SDN solution for your WAN is going to be Cisco SD-WAN. And SDN solution for your branch is going to be Cisco SD Access. Okay. Then every SDN solution is going to have a controller. So for ACI, the controller name is Epic. For SD-WAN, there are three controllers. One is vManage, which is present in the management plane, vSmart, which is present in the control plane, and vBond, which is present in the orchestration plane. So we're going to discuss about that as well. For SD access, we are having a controller which is known as DNAC. Okay. So these are the controllers we are having. Okay, so we, as a part of this course, we're going to discuss the solution for your WAN environment, which is Cisco SD-WAN. Okay. So guys, now to understand the WAN environment, first we need to understand why we use WAN infrastructure. So why we use WAN, guys?
To connect our remote sites to our data center.
To connect remote sites with
our headquarters or our data center.
Okay, with HQ, with DC. Okay. So what are the ways physically by which we can connect?
So we can connect via Mpls and public internet links.
VPN.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can connect via MPLS. What else?
Direct internet using the public IP.
What else?
And 4G and 5G.
4G.
So 4G, 5G, I can write it here, right? So
dedicated point-to-point link.
P2P lease lines. What else?
And VPN.
VPN is not a physical way; it is an overlay which is
overlay.
So I don't need overlay solutions. I only need underlay solutions. WiMAX.
Yeah.
VSAT, satellite, right? So these are some of the ways. Okay, guys. So first of all, you need to understand the SD-WAN technology is a overlay technology that needs physical connectivity end to end, first of all. Okay, so SD-WAN is not gonna replace any one of these. Okay, these are the mediums which is gonna connect physically your one side to another side. Okay, and SD-WAN is a overlay technology. These are your underlay mediums. So SD-WAN runs over top of it. Okay, so this is what is important to understand. So anyone having any question and doubt in this? So what is what I hope you guys understand the underlay and overlay.
So underlay would be the physical infrastructure, right?
Yes. So underlay is going to be physical infrastructure, and your overlay is going to be the tunnels which you are creating over top of it. So like your VXLAN tunnel, GRE tunnel, VPN solutions, okay, your SD-WAN solutions. So these are all overlay type of technologies, okay, which is gonna use your underlay physical thing. Okay, so guys, now to understand the SD-WAN in advantages, okay, what are the advantages we get with the SD-WAN technology? We need to first understand the traditional WAN challenges. So guys, I need at least 10 to 12 inputs from your side. So what are the traditional WAN challenges you will see in your day-to-day activities or in your environment, or you can think of? Tell me.
Slowness issue.
Slowness. What else?
Cost.
Cost. What else?
Manually configured devices.
Manually configuration. Man configuration.
Stability.
Sorry?
Stability. Unstable.
How it is unstable?
Well, you get a lot of challenges,
Like
WAN
it's
connection.
we have to manage each device, like
So manageability. What else?
Difficulties in monitor and troubleshoot end-to-end flow from source to destination.
Monitoring. Troubleshooting. What else?
Path availability.
Sorry?
Path availability and path management.
So what do you understand by path availability?
So let's say we have multiple available paths and we can configure it in active or backup or healthy failure path in this SD.
So basically I can write fault tolerant, right?
Yeah.
What else?
About latency.
Latency. So again, let's keep it as a part of slowness. Scalability, guys. What else?
App reachability.
Sorry?
App reachability.
So what do you understand by?
So in current traditional network, we can't find out that. I mean, we can't monitor the particular app reachability over the WANs.
App reachability.
Yeah. So let's say I have one server in my DC and I want to continuously monitor continuously track the reachability
So
of the
basically you can say like application health, right?
yeah, correct.
Okay, and then also not application aware. What else?
Same control data and management plane.
So control data management plane, right?
No separation in that.
All in the one box. What else?
Security. I mean, in terms of security, like I mean, it's a it adds an extra layer. Yeah.
Carrier dependent.
Yeah. I think that can be included in the cost as well.
Yeah. Okay, so let's take these things and let's try to understand if we have any solutions for these in the SD-WAN environment.
Visibility of entire infra.
So again, that we can see it in the app health or application visibility. Okay, so guys, now SD-WAN, what it solves and what it not solves for you. So first of all, related to the slowness and latency. So those who said it, tell me where you see the slowness in the service provider environment you are talking about.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, if you are having a slowness and latency in the service provider, nothing can be done from our side. Okay. Your service provider can only do that thing for you. Okay. So SD-WAN is not gonna resolve your slowness and latency part, but it can do one thing. Okay. You will have SLAs in SD-WAN in your hands. So what you can do, when any link you will get slowness. Okay. So it can automatically shift your link to the other link, other ISP. Automatic shift traffic to other ISP. Okay, as per your policies, whatever SLA you need, minimum, you can configure it and then it can automatically shift your traffic over it. Okay, so this is what you can do. Related to cost, we will talk about later on when we do with other things. Okay, manual configuration. So what do you understand by manual configuration? Someone said it manual configuration. So tell me, what is manual configuration? Manual configuration related to what?
Repetitive configuration, the same thing that we have to do every time.
Okay, so when any new site comes, that is what you are talking about?
Yes.
Okay, so here there is a process which is known as ZTP, zero touch provisioning. Okay, or PNP. This is a complete process where Cisco is going to ship the box to your site. Okay, it needs to do the racking and cabling to the internet, and once it is connected to the internet, it will take all the configuration, everything from your controller. Okay, centralized controller, and it will take the configuration within seconds. Okay, so you don't need to configure it manually. Okay, so we're going to talk about this process in our subsequent class.
So is that a zero touch provisioning?
Yes, zero touch provisioning. So only racking and cabling you need to do. Okay, after that, no configuration is needed. Once it gets the IP via DSCP, it's gonna automatically configure itself from the controller. Okay. Related to your management, monitoring, and troubleshooting, all the three parts can be now controlled via centralized controller. Okay, so which in this case is vManage. So from this controller, you can do centralized management. Okay, You can configure any device centralized. You can monitor any device centralized from anywhere in the world. You can do troubleshooting from site to site from anywhere in the world. Okay. So you need to log in only to this controller to do all these three things, which is management, monitoring, and troubleshooting. Okay. You don't need any third-party tool to do that. Okay. So fault tolerance. Fault tolerance related to if we talk about multiple links, multiple ISP. So here SD-WAN is gonna automatically load balance or fault tolerant your traffic on multiple ISP. Okay, as per the policy you can configure. So automatically load balancing or fault tolerance is gonna happen. Related to scalability. So again, now scalability is very fast. You can scale your new sites quickly. Okay, with zero touch provisioning. You just need to order the box and plug it, and then it will be up. And again, centralized configuration from the controller you can do automatically. Okay, either automatically or manually, whatever you like. So again, scalability is fast. Now you can see the application health. Okay, whatever the applications you are running, you can see the health of those applications directly from your controller. Okay, so you will have full visibility of the applications, how they are behaving in your network. Okay, you can see it directly with the controller. Application aware. So now these devices, your edge devices, are gonna be L7 application aware. So what do you mean by that? So they're gonna do deep packet inspection by default. Okay, which is known as DPI. So what is going to happen is whatever the application traffic which is passing through your edge device, okay, SD-WAN edge device, it is going to be see the traffic and you can put your policies based on that. For example, if my Teams traffic is going on, okay, so Teams is an application, so I can put that traffic on a particular link. Okay, so I want it, for example, I want to send it over MPLS, or I want to send it over internet link 1, okay, or internet link 2 with it, which is better SLA or from the better ISP. Okay, so those type of things you can do it. Okay, so now it is your application aware. You will have, again, related to point number 11, you will have 3 different controllers, which is going to be for different planes. Okay, vManage, vSmart, and vBond. Security. There are a lot of securities inbuilt. Okay, first of all, your edges, okay, edge devices. So edge devices are the routers in the SD-WAN. Okay, which are having specific model, which we're going to talk about tomorrow. What are those models? So those is gonna be make IPsec tunnel by default. Okay, when they talk with any other site, and this is a automatic IPsec tunnel. You don't need to have any knowledge related to IPsec, or you not need to have a single command. Okay, you don't need to even give the single command. Only you need to just provide the encapsulation, which is IPsec, and apart from that, you don't need to configure anything. It will be automatically configured for you. Okay, so this is it too, and then you will have a certificates. So certificates is what? PKI, which is public key infrastructure certificates, which is going to be exchange. Okay, so that lot of security is there. All the services which are present on your edge devices are disabled by default. Okay, so that is also a security feature. Okay, so a lot of security features are inbuilt, which will help you to run or to send your traffic over the internet as well. Okay, and then the carrier dependent. So now your carrier dependency is not having that much dependency what you are having in normal traditional environment, because you are making overlay tunnels. Okay, so you can switch your traffic to any carrier you want. Okay, and that comes with the cost. So again, your main cost is going in the MPLS links, right? And what is the advantage of MPLS over internet, guys? What is the main advantage? Why we use MPLS?
It will choose the different path to reach the destination.
So that internet can also do.
But this is a private network, right? Internet will be a public network.
Yes. So what is the advantage of using MPLS? What are the, or you can say, what are the disadvantage of using internet?
It is a dedicated LAN, right? Connection.
Dedicated, no. MPLS is not dedicated. Others, customer traffic is also running on that path. So guys, tell me 3 advantages of using MPLS over internet. You guys know, like in some countries, MPLS is 4 times of your internet link. So there must be some advantages.
Maybe identifying traffic or marking traffic.
So in Mpls, we can create the VRFs for each and every customer.
So that is to segment the customer. So that is actually the process, okay? But that is not the advantage.
So it gives us a better performance.
Yeah, we can reduce the routing overhead.
Because it works on labels.
So again, 24-bit labels as compared to 32-bit, okay, so 8-bit. So definitely it will be little faster, but it's okay.
So,
what else?
Hello.
Yes.
So Mpls is, what my point is, Mpls is much, costlier than the internet link. So if we purchase a Mpls link instead of any, internet, that is much costlier than that. So SD-WAN, we used the internet link to, that is why we used SD-WAN. That make the difference of the cost.
So again, you are going on the second point. I am asking first point. Why MPLS is costlier than internet?
MPLS normally.
Because we need to purchase AS number, right?
AS number.
Multiple links required.
No, security reason. Encryption is there in MPLS.
So encryption is not by default.
The by default is not available, but MPLS is the secure link.
So security I can consider as a 1 point, okay. So again, security is because you are dealing with the one ISP only, okay. It is a private network which is dealing with the ISP, that's why. Okay, what else?
Another reliability also will be there in MPLS.
So how reliability?
Speed? More speed?
Speed doesn't matter. Reliability is gonna provide via SLA.
Oh, okay. Yes, correct. SLA.
What else, guys? You can connect your private networks end to end.
And it reduces also the congestion.
Sorry?
In MPLS, we don't have more congestion like we have in internet. More congestion.
Okay, so better. So again, it comes in reliability around that stuff. Anyways, guys, so now the point here is the main important things are security and SLA, okay. So now your security is gonna, IPsec is gonna provide you the security over the SD-WAN. It's gonna provide you certificate, lot of things related to security, which is not present previously in the solutions. Okay, reliability is again one of the most important factor of having the MPLS. Okay, so now here what you can do is you can, instead of buying for one MPLS link, you can buy at least 2-3 links of internet and then from a different ISPs. Okay, and you will get the SLAs which is close to your MPLS. And now the point here is your automatically shifted of traffic is now in your hands. Okay, so if any time at given point of time, if SLA is not met, then it's gonna automatically shift your traffic from that link to another. So now you can remove the MPLS link from that way. Okay, but when you are removing it, so you need to replace it with any other underlay connectivity. Okay, so you need to have an underlay connectivity. I'm not saying like without MPLS. So if you are having only one MPLS link and you remove it, then SD-WAN will not work. Okay, you need to replace it with some other link. Okay, so this is what MPLS means. Okay, so guys, this is some of the advantages which SD-WAN is going to give to you. Okay, so that is what we need to discuss today only. Then tomorrow what we're going to do is I'm going to tell you the components. We're going to start with the components of SD-WAN. What is vManage? Okay, in detail. What is vSmart, vBond? Okay, where we're going to put our controllers on the premises or over the cloud. What are edge routers? Okay, what are the models we use in this? Okay, how you get the licenses. Okay, what is smart account, all that stuff. Okay, so that all things we're going to discuss tomorrow. Okay guys, so that's all for today. Tomorrow at the same time 9 p.m. we will meet again and we're going to discuss it. So guys, only today and tomorrow class is open for the people who not yet enrolled. Okay, so guys, be enrolled so that you will be continue with the course. Okay, this is the live class, this is not a demo class. Okay, so again I will be continuing this course. Okay, so thanks a lot for joining today guys. Let's meet it again tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Mr. Shai. How are you?
Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Shai. Good to see you.
Yes. Yeah. Hi, Toba. How are you, man?
I'm fine. You?
I'm good. Good. So, Toba, I have a class in a minute. Okay. So we will discuss later on.
Okay. Well, I just want to say hello, but I'll be taking this class.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
No issues.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Bye.